Okay, hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. What about you?
I'm also doing fine, fantastic, and also I'm very excited to connecting with you. And thanks
Likewise.
for connecting.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it's my pleasure. And I think I forgot your name actually.
Okay, shall I start my
Okay.
introduction? So my name is
Yeah. Yes.
okay.
And-
So my name is Anamika, and I am from a beautiful state, Madhya Pradesh, and it often calls heart of India. And if I talk about my education, so I completed BSc and after that I completed B.Ed and now I am pursuing masters in English literature. And I am a homemaker and also I am a student. And if I talk about my hobbies, so nowadays my hobbies are learning English and trying to connecting with new people for improving my confidence and also fluency. And yeah, when and every day I do exercise, and when I get time, so I love sketching, and also I love dance. Yeah, so that's all about me.
Okay. You have lots of things in your plate regarding when it is about hobbies. Uh,
Yeah,
are you really touch with your all hobbies like dancing or even you mentioned there?
yeah. Actually, every day I don't, but I love dance. When I get time, when I feel I have mood, so I will dance. Then
Dance
I
is
will
like
definitely
your
enjoy dancing.
dance is it like your own invention or you were there like during your college or school time you used to learn dance?
Yeah. When I was in school, that time I participated on programs, annual functions, everything. But I don't learned specific any coachings or specific any there. But just I try to watch any video, any songs, then I just dance.
Okay, you never took any classes, just out of
No,
your
no.
interest. It is all about your own
Yeah.
interest. Yeah. Shall I give mine
Okay.
introduction?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, you can see my name is Sutaba Paul, and I'm coming
Yeah.
like I come from Assam. I live with my family since my childhood, and I completed my master's in education from IGNOU University. Currently, I am into work from home.
Mhm.
There, I work as a customer support, or as well as I give demonstration, software demonstration. Though I not belong to IT, just I'm learning those stuff. Also, I have some interest in learning in English language, so I created a YouTube channel by the name of Sutapa's English Corner. There I upload conversational videos and some English challenges and like for to practice English language, English activities. I just record it and I upload there as a shorts. So these are
Okay.
the things I'm doing. About my hobbies, I have other like watching movies, listening music, talking with people. So these days I'm more into watching movies. I want to stop it because where once you get mature, you need to find out
Mhm.
that kind of hobbies which can be a productive way of learning. So which can bring benefits to you as well. So that's why I'm trying to stop those habits. Uh,
Yeah.
but still,
Okay. So
okay, let's take a topic like procrastinate. Why do people procrastinate? Because it's quite relevant with me. I want to discuss with this topic. Though
okay,
we
okay,
are
okay.
mature, okay, we know what is right and wrong for us, but still we being lazy about learning anything. We want to
Okay.
learn, but we always procrastinate, and we will say like we'll do it later or after at the end of the day. Then we wish that the next day I'll start those things. So why it happens and why how we can overcome of it? Do you have any your own perspective you can just share, or if you have that any
Uh,
idea? So
okay, okay. So actually, I have failed this situation some days. Not every day, but sometimes also I face these situations, and I don't feel like to do work, especially like anything. Nowadays I am learning English, so
mm,
sometimes I feel like okay, right now I don't have mood for practicing. I will be do later, right? So I think this procrastination situation everyone faced. Also I faced, so I think everyone faced this situation. So I think we feel a like laziness, right? That's why it's happening. We know, as you told, we know everything, what is right, what is wrong for
yeah,
me, for us, right?
yes,
But
yes,
according to me, we know we don't take seriously, like okay, jo hoga dekha jayega,
yeah.
right?
How often do you feel such? As you also admit that you also do procrastinate sometimes, but I want to know how often do you feel? Hello, are you there?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Is it
Now,
okay?
now it is okay. Yeah, now it is okay.
I think it is from my side. Okay, my question
Okay.
was, how often do you feel this procrastinating kind of mindset or laziness, being laziness, how often do you feel in a week?
Actually, yeah, actually, every 2 and 3 days, after 2 and 3 days, every day, sometimes I feel okay, like something doing. I when we make like food, it is necessary for me, right? So we
Hmm.
never procrastinate for eating, for doing like other household chores, for taking bath or eating food, anything. We never procrastinate. And when we talk about our any skills, learning skills, so it takes a effort, I can say, right? So that's why we don't want to put our efforts. We just want to just relax, just chilled out, and we don't want to take action for. We are know it is very necessary for us. It is important for us
Important,
for
yes.
learning language. Yeah, but we always laziness and procrastinated our work. Okay, I will be do later. So I think when I feel that, yeah. So I applied one method every time when I felt like procrastination or laziness. So that time I thought just like when I wasted my this time, so I will never get this time, right? So I don't need to procrastinate my work, and just take as action and do my work. So yeah, this is the best method for me, and I can say it is a best method for everyone. So yeah, also usually applied this method. And what is your opinion?
You're right. Anyhow, I think we need to push ourselves. We have to push ourselves that no, we let's take the action. Do it. Let's do it. Not do say for the things we'll do it later. But still, no. From my side, how do I feel? When I start being lazy, I feel I stay in a lazy mode for 2 3 days. It's quite long. And
Yeah,
earlier, I
yeah.
used to stay in a lazy mode for 1 week even. More than that, even I used to. But luckily, this time, uh, at least for 2 3 days, it happened with me. Just suppose I have enough time to practice, instead of practicing such things, I prefer suddenly like what happened. My mind triggered me that let's watch out this movie. Let's enjoy watching a movie, and I feel like why am I doing it? Why am I practicing such things? What benefits will I get in future even? I'm not even, because our progress is very slow manner. It's very slow, because
Yeah.
when we get the result, good result, when we see, that's motivates us, and that's give us a reason to continue and give more efforts to thrive this area. When we don't get any good results, we start facing demotivation, and we start feel like stop doing it. Negative stuff started increasing in our mind.
Yeah.
That's, I
Yeah.
think, there's the only way would be, uh, see, the for about this topic, it is all all we can relate with this, and
Yeah.
l- all people have gone through this such situation, and we
Yeah.
can't avoid it. No, procrastination will be
Right.
there,
Right.
always will be there. So how we can tackle dividing our work into small goal, uh,
Yeah.
dividing two, three. Don't. I think we shouldn't put so much of burden in our head that one day, this day, we have practiced lots of things, like 10 or more than 10 actions we have done for today. What if the next day we failed? So I think we should tell to ourselves there will be limited action, limited activities should be there, but we try to make sure that we have complete this day, and the next day we should also complete it. And we can just like you have given an example that you always push yourself that do it, let's take the action. So some of the quotes should be there in our mind that
Yeah.
uh, which can help us to continue this journey. I think for me, I
Right.
used to take a quote that practice. Earlier we have heard that practice makes you perfect.
Perfect. Right.
Yeah,
Right.
I often say to myself earlier time that practice maybe doesn't make me perfect, but it can give progress. I can see 1% even progress in me. So let's continue it.
Mm-hmm.
And what happens sometimes, like other, you know, words like commendable words, you must have got such commendable
Yeah.
words, maybe people appreciates you, so such appreciation also work as like fuel for us, or work as like
Yeah.
uh, gave us motivation, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So first, I want to share my experience. Uh, actually, topic of procrastination, and I also faced that procrastination, that situations when I stay my in-laws house. Actually, I told you I am a married. So when I stay my in-laws house, that time I have a lot of work, right? So I don't have time to wasting my time. I have a limited time because I have a lot of work like cooking, everything, household chores, and also I want to learn English. So just when we don't have enough time for doing anything, so we use our time like wisely.
I
Yeah,
was
right.
thinking like I should quit that job because I was not getting my salary on time even. Um, on time, I mean to say, like I used to get my salary, 1 month of salary in between 4 to 5 months. It was quite
Oh.
uh,
Yeah, yeah, right.
difficult to survive. Yeah, even
Yeah,
like
right, right.
I don't need to spend my money to family or anything. I was just managing my own expenses. That was
Yeah,
so quite manageable. But still, the moment I got this work from home chance, so I was telling
yeah,
that the moment I got this chance of doing work from home, so immediately I quit that teaching job, and there to shift into this IT field. I was, collecting some I have to manage my laptop. I have to collect those things. Then I can start this journey. So in between, I was having quite enough time, and I found myself that when I don't have such, work to do it on time, so I was more into wasting my time. I was
Yeah,
not into productive way. I was not utilizing my
right.
day, productive manner. I was wasting a lot. Then I felt like
Yeah,
we should, we should put ourselves into work even profession work, whether it could be like mandatory tasks should be there. So we can,
yeah,
push ourselves that I have to wake up early to complete that. Earlier, what used to happen? My school was start by 9 o'clock. So definitely, I have to wake up early, and some of the household chores completing. Though I'm not a married person, I'm a single. Um,
yeah,
so but still, some of like doing puja, worship, and all, and cleaning,
yeah,
mopping the floor. Some of the works
yeah,
were there. So I
right.
used to complete that things, then I can go to school. So going before going to school, completing such things, I have to work early. Sorry, I have to wake up early. So it
Yeah,
was there in my mind. So because of workload, we don't need any alarm also.
yeah,
We wake up
yeah, right, right.
because of our pressure, and then we start
Yeah,
utilizing,
yeah,
according to
right,
that manner.
right. Yeah, because
Yeah.
when we feel like we don't have like enough time, we have a limited time. So everyone they use our time wisely, right? So when we have a lot of time, so we just chill and wasting of time. And nowadays